Skyvac has sufficient reach and suction power to safely access and clear first, second and even third floor gutters. If the organic debris is just too wide to vacuum through the poles, we simply extract it from the gutters and then we very carefully and safely release it down to the ground. And please don't worry, we always tidy up after ourselves. Contact us today for your free no obligation quotation. Our details can be found in the pull down description for this YouTube short video. Thanks again for watching.